Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel which is not responding or working in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's start the process. First is you need to search for settings. Here at the bottom search bar, please type settings. After that, just go for open to run the settings. Okay. Once you're here at the settings, go for the left side of it, and as you can see, it has a list of options. And since we'll be fixing our Microsoft Excel, then we'll be going to applications next to personalization. This will help you to find the Microsoft Office installed in your computer. Okay, here it has this top option, which is installed apps. Just click that to see more. Okay. So once you're here, it has this list of applications present in your computer. Here, just have to find for Microsoft Office. You can simply search that here at the search icon or you can manually scroll down. Okay? The moment you find your Microsoft Office or the moment you locate it, look at the three dots here aligning the Microsoft Office. It has these three dots. Simply click that to see more options and go for modify. And the moment you go for modify, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes. Okay. So once you click yes, you'll be redirected to this new window and it asks this what changed your installation of Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016. Here you go to repair, which you can see at the second option, and click on continue to proceed. Okay. Mm, After that, it will undergo configuration progress and repairing Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016 is starting. Okay. Here it will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, you will see two options. Okay. First is quick repair and online repair. I recommend you to go with quick repair first. And after that, just restart your computer and see if your Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel is responding again. And let's say if it doesn't, then go back here and go for online repair. I will not go further because I'm just showing you how to fix your Microsoft Excel. Okay? In my case, my Microsoft Excel is working well. Okay? So that is the easy step on how to fix your Microsoft Excel which is not responding in your computer. If these steps help you and these steps fixed your problem, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, everyone. Take care.